Okay. Hey, Kian, how you doing?
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What you got going on today?
Nothing much. Just regular old preparing.
What are you preparing for?
For some meals we have for Valentine's Day, a few caterings and things.
What type of catering again? You said you're preparing for them.
For Valentine's Day. We have a few Valentine's Day dinners going out. Salmon, ribeyes, asparagus, all the good stuff.
And what time does this begin?
It was a private dinner, and it's going to start at about 5 or 6 o'clock.
Is this something that you do often, or do we have to go online? How do I get you to cater a meal for me?
Well, we have different pictures of our work online on our website and also on Facebook. And you can inbox us about your inquiry about your event, and we'll send you a questionnaire. You fill it out, and we'll get more information and send it back to you.
Ooh. What's the name of the website?
TaylorMadeCakesandCo.com.
All right, thank you. So how in advance do I need to make my order, or is there a deadline? Is it too late for today?
Yes, it's definitely too late for today. We like to get a 2 weeks in advance notice. That way we can prepare and make sure we have everything for your day.
Oh, well, okay. Well, since I'm missing the Valentine's Day treat, y'all, maybe we can just go ahead and set something up for maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or
any other day.
All right. Well, y'all heard it here first. Again, thank you for checking her out. And the name of your business again is?
Taylor Made Cakes and Co.
All right. And you heard it from Shane's Journey. Also, Miss P DIYs. We'll check it later.
See ya.
See ya.